Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an image circular in Mailchimp. This is a great way to add polish and professionalism to your email campaigns, especially when featuring profile photos, product images, or branded graphics. Let's dive right into it. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your account. If you're new to Mailchimp, click on Sign Up Free to create an account. If you already have one, simply log in with your credentials. Getting into your account is the first step to customizing your email designs. After logging in, look to the left navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is your hub for creating and managing all your email communications. Within the Campaigns section, you'll see an expanded menu appear. From here, select Email Templates to access Mailchimp's library of pre-designed layouts. At the top side menu, click on Mailchimp Templates. For this tutorial, select any newsletter template you like, since we're primarily focused on demonstrating how to create circular images in the designer page. Once you've selected your template, you'll be directed to the email customization page. This is where you can set your audience, craft your subject line, and schedule when your email goes out. However, for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the design elements. On the right side panel, hover your cursor over and click on Edit Design. This action takes you into the visual editor where you can modify the layout and content of your email. Now look at the left side content menu and locate the image block option. Click on it to select it. Next, drag the image block onto your canvas. You can place it anywhere on your page depending on your design preference. The beauty of Mailchimp's drag and drop editor is its flexibility, so feel free to position it where it makes the most sense for your layout. After adding the image block, it's time to upload your image. Click the Add button within the block and you'll be presented with options to choose from content you've already uploaded to Mailchimp or to upload fresh content from your computer. For this video, we'll use an existing image from the library. Select your desired image and click on Insert to add it to your email. Now that your image is on the page, it's time to transform it into a circular shape. Click on Styles in the Image Block Customization menu on your left side. You'll notice a section labeled Rounded Corners. This is the key feature that will turn your standard square or rectangular image into a circle. Add a numerical value to the rounded corners field. Make sure to click on Apply to all sides to ensure the rounding effect is even. The exact value you need depends on the size of your image, so adjust accordingly until your image appears perfectly circular. And there you have it. You've successfully created a circular image in Mailchimp that adds a sleek, modern touch to your email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.